Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are at day 40 of 100 days of cloud by Cloud. In the day 40 task, we are going to troubleshooting the network accessibility to a EC2 instance that was hosted a Nginx web server. Let's start the task. Before going to check the task, if you are the someone new to my channel, I will make DevOps and cloud related content, and please make sure to subscribe and share this video with your friends, and also give a like to this video. And here is the task. We need to verify the VPC configuration of the default of the DevOps VPC. We need to configure the internet access to that VPC, and also we need to ensure the accessibility to the EC2 instance that was running the Nginx server. Try to log in using console URL. First we will check the EC2 security groups whether the port 80 was opened or not. Once it was confirmed, we can go to the VPC configuration. We can find out the issue what actually happening, which is not allowing the internet access to the VPC. Open EC2. Instances. And click on security. If you check the inbound rules, the port 80 was opened. Let's try to access the Nginx server by using the public IP. We're not getting any response of the default Nginx web server. VPC. Click on your VPCs. And here there are two VPCs. One was default and another was DevOps VPC. Select the VPC and check the resource map whether the internet gateway is attached to this VPC or not. The subnet and the route table was attached to this VPC, but there is no internet gateway to this VPC to allow the internet access. Click on internet gateway, and there is a internet gateway, but it was not attached to any VPC. Select the internet gateway, click on actions, attach to VPC. Select the VPC, that was DevOps VPC, attach internet gateway. Now the gateway was attached successfully. We need to edit the routes of the route table. Select the DevOps route table and click on routes, edit routes. Remove this red or the internet gateway that was not active. Remove it and click on add route anywhere from the world. Choose internet gateway and the internet gateway DevOps IZ. Save changes. Now the routes also updated to the route table. Again click on VPCs, resource map. Now the internet gateway was attached to this VPC. Check the website now. And see, we're able to get the response of default web page of the Nginx. This means we are able to get the internet access to this VPC. Let's check the task. And we are successfully completed this task. If you really like my explanation, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching this video.